We'll discuss these two gold trades specifically. I've also taken a trade in silver. I have closed 80% of both of these trades at this moment. Okay, but specifically, the topic we'll be discussing today is gold. Okay, we'll examine what the reason was behind gold. Okay, why I executed this particular trade, and the free strategy that I have used and shared with all of you. Sorry.
So what is its win rate? How is it performing? And other such things. All right. And additionally, we will also be looking at what the book was telling us.
We're going to look at what kind of confirmation the order flow was providing us, what we refer to as the footprint, all right, and what will be the benefit of this. Well, our overall understanding of the market will become even clearer and much more refined. First and foremost, let's dive right into the breakdown of things. Yesterday, I also took a buy trade, but I wasn't able to share it with you all. Today, I will share it.
So first of all, if we move to the H4 time frame, we can clearly see that the market, after finishing its selling phase, is now heading towards buying. H4 candles are closing strongly, indicating an upward structure. This confirms our understanding that our market bias has been bullish. All right. Now, we'll proceed to analyze the M30 time frame. Okay. Within the M30 time frame, you will observe with great clarity, and I've already marked this out for your ease of understanding, that the market structure is clearly breaking to the upside. All right. And the market is indeed trending strongly in an upward direction.
The structure is bullish. I was waiting for the liquidity grab to happen in this area. I bought this based on the M15 time frame, right, which you'll be able to observe right here. Following the liquidity grab, the M15 is high angled upwards, okay, and that's when I placed my initial entry. My second entry was taken in the very same direction, again, based on the M15. Now let's transition over to the order flow. Within the order flow, let's examine what the confirmation truly was. Even if you delve into the order flow, you will find that it appears quite straightforward there. Very strong delta. A very large volume was attempted to be traded with this strength, but the sellers, they failed. The buyers certainly struggled, but finally they managed to recover and push prices higher, all right? If we talk about the book, it was also suggesting the very same thing to us in the book. I will show that to you all. Here you can observe that the market attempted a downward surge and tried to enter and collect liquidity. And from this point, it picked up some orders. And after that, once again, the orders that were placed on the upper side, which were clearly visible to us as the buyer's targets, the market directly went and began to hit those targets. All right. So this trade was indeed very good. This was my overall target of 4,500. It certainly could have gone even higher, but this was considered a safe target. All right. Similarly, we were observing the very same pattern within silver as well. I had already mentioned this within my group quite early this morning, that today's orders and indeed the current positions are predominantly indicating an upward movement. So it would be advisable to only consider buying opportunities today. I sincerely hope that you all were able to gain some valuable insights from this video. Until we meet again in the next video, Allah Hafiz.